These exercises ask us about the equivalence between two sets. So really the only information definition that you need is the one for equivalence between two sets. And it's very simple. Two sets are equivalent if they have the same number of elements. So don't make a big deal about this. There are 5 elements in the first set, so if you want to say, maybe you call that A and call that B. The number of elements in A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The number of elements in set B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They have the same number of elements, therefore they are equivalent. Simple idea. Second example, the set containing 1, 2, 3, 4. Again, if you want to call that A and the other one B. The number of elements in set A is 1, 2, 3, 4. The number of elements in set B, the same as we had above, is 5. Those two numbers are not equal, therefore those two sets are not equivalent. Let's bump up the level of where you have to think a little harder though. Third example, the empty set and the set containing the empty set. The empty set is the set containing no elements by definition. So the number of elements in the empty set is 0. There aren't any elements in the empty set. But this is not the empty set. This is the set containing the empty set. So that set has one element in it, the empty set itself. So if you think about this empty set has no elements, but the set that has the empty set in it has one element, namely the empty set. So those two are not equivalent. Think about that very carefully and make sure you have it. And lastly, the set containing the empty set and the set containing 0. They're not the same sets, but the set containing empty set has one element because I just did that above. The number of elements in the set containing the empty set is 1. I just did that above. How about the number of elements in the set containing 0? Well, there's one element in the set containing 0 too, namely that one element 0. The number of elements in the set containing the empty set is 1. The number of elements in the set containing 0 is 1. Therefore, those two sets are equivalent. Take a minute and think about that. The idea of equivalence is very simple, but those last two problems in particular make you think a little bit. So take some time and do that. Make sure you got it.